everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the trending AI painter portrait, a stunning photorealistic transformation that makes it look like you're painting your own portrait on the massive wall. And the best part, you can do it using Google Gemini Nano Banana, the newest image creation feature by Google. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it, use browser or use the app like this, and then if you haven't already, just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image or tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This way to activate the Nano Banana, Google new AI image editing tools that let you generate or modify images instantly using just a text prompt. Next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. You can use a selfie or maybe portrait or just any photo where your face is clearly visible, because this will be your base image for the AI to reimagine. Just Just tap on plus button to upload your image. Like this, and then next we will write the prompts that tells the AI exactly what to create. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can copy this exact prompt or just tweak it to match your vibe. Like, for example, change the outfit or maybe the lighting or maybe background theme. Just feel free to tweak it as you like. And if you want to copy this prompt, you can just screenshot it and then using Google Lens, just copy it and paste it to your prompt box. Next, I will just copy my prompt. And then I will go back to Gemini and then paste the prompt. And then after that, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, just look at this. The result looks absolutely stunning. It has a realistic textures and then beautiful lighting, and then it has the details that are incredible. You can literally see the brush texture and the soft shadow on it. It's totally like a hike and art concept photo. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create your own AI painter portrait using Gemini Nano Banana. It's super easy, right? Just try this out with your different photos. And okay, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!